here's something I found just driving along the road. And it's open air, no charge. You can stop the video if you'd like to read that. But this is all about the Comstock Lode here. Welcome to Virginia City, Nevada. There it is, all the different things in town. Comstock Keystone head frame here. I guess this is it here. Wow. Look at this guy here. There it is up there. I got a ladder, but I guess they cut the bottom off because people would be climbing up on it. It says the ore skip. Can't get any closer, but you can stop the video if you want to read it as per usual. All right. Let's see, it's quite nice here. You get a view of the surrounding countryside here. And yeah, the breeze is starting to pick up now. Going to be breezy again. May not be much in drone time, but here's the ore skip here. Look at all those old timbers. Who knows how old they are? 100 years old, 150 years old. They don't build them like that anymore. That's for sure. All right, here we got a jobby over here, rocks that produced 11 million. Is that 11 million or billion? It's 100,000. 11 billion in gold. I guess it's $11 billion in gold and silver. All right. Let's see here what we got up here. You got some little rocks in the ground. You got your trash barrels, which are nice barrels here. Used whiskey barrels, yes. All right. Tell you more about the mines and everything here. Life in Virginia City on the Comstock Lode. Well, those were some times back then, I guess. Silver Terrace cemeteries. I don't see them, but they could be out there somewhere. Well, here's something you're not going to find too many places anymore under the PC police or whatnot. I'll keep my politics to myself, but 10 Commandments. There you go. A little hard to read because they're not etched in there very much, but yeah, nice big stone though. Oh, we got some cables over here. The flat hoisting cable, a flat cable. Because of its strength, steel wire flat cable was the preferred choice versus steel cable. Where's the same size? You can read that. Look at that. Look at this here. Look at how wide each piece is here, and how heavy that would be for all of this here. The memory of Julia. Who was Julia here? Administrator to the needy, brutally murdered, 1867. Oh wow, look at that. Nice little plaque for her right here, that's for sure. We got the head frame camshaft. Yeah, this was what broke up the rocks. All these cams would raise these things and go boom, 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 boom. Super noisy here, super noisy. But look at this, these things are solid here, let me tell you. Let's look at that solid shaft there too. And this over here, look at this wheel. Probably had metal around it at one time, I would guess, but look at how old that wood is, how it's all super dried out. Not an ounce of water in any of this here, I would guess. Probably 150 years old, maybe more. 1870, 1970, 130 years old maybe. Who knows here. And we got a battery box. Ore that was crushed entered the battery box. Blah, 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 blah. Union Iron Works, San Francisco. And not much in there. Got a little crack here, but that's to be expected. But this stuff is like super thick, massive amounts of weight. All right, let's go back here. Well, here's a little scenic overlook. I'm just killing time. Took a road outside of Virginia City called the Comstock Lode. Very windy and going uphill. But a nice view here of the area. Look at that. Yeah, good view there. All right, there's the road back there. And there's the rest of the road up there. All right. See what's behind this tree here. Oh, we got the snow-capped peaks out there. And I think the town of Reno is just over down there in the valley. But there's snow-capped peaks. Okay. Snow-capped peaks out there. And that town down there, I don't know if that's Reno or Carson City. I have to... Cars going by. I'll have to look on the map and put it down at the bottom here so you know what it is. There's a better view further up, but I missed the turnout and you have to turn around and go back and forth a couple of times because it was a dirt thing. But okay.